Want to know how to use AI for ad copy on Google or Facebook? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI to write ads that drive conversions. Whether you're new to AI or just want a faster way to generate high-quality ad copy, stick with me until the end because I'll share a tool that will completely change how you do your ad copy, and you can follow along with an exclusive free trial. Let's dive straight into it. First, you want to pick the right AI software. After trying all the popular ones out there, the software we'll be using today is one that's incredibly user-friendly and actually delivers results. You don't need to worry about writing long or complicated prompts. The AI knows what it needs to generate compelling ad copy for both Google and Facebook. Once you've signed up for the software, log in and get to the ad copy generation feature. You'll want to choose your ad type, whether it's for Google search ads, Facebook ads, or even display ads. Select the goal of your campaign. Are you looking to drive sales, get leads, or increase brand awareness? This is important because AI will tailor the language depending on your objective. Now let's create some ad copy. Start by giving the AI a few simple details. You'll enter information like the product you're promoting, your target audience, and the benefits you want to highlight. The more details you give the AI, the better the ad copy will be. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly what to say. The software is designed to help you craft ad copy that resonates with your audience, no matter your skill level. After filling in the details, let the AI work its magic. It will generate several different versions of ad copy for you to choose from. Here's the cool part. The AI will not only write catchy headlines, but also descriptions that are optimized for conversion. You'll have multiple options to choose from, so you can test which one performs the best. Once you've chosen the best copy, just copy and paste it into your Google or Facebook ad platform and you're ready to go. But here's an insider tip. Don't settle for just one version of the ad. Test multiple versions and see which one performs the best. A/B testing is crucial. And with AI, it's never been easier to generate multiple ad copy variations quickly. Now, remember, this AI software can also help you craft more than just ads. You can use it for email campaigns, product descriptions, and even social media posts. It's a versatile tool that's a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and get better results. Key takeaway: using AI for ad copy on Google or Facebook is a powerful way to save time and increase the effectiveness of your ads. The key is to give the software clear, concise information and to test multiple ad variations to find what works best for your audience. Before I wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's only available for viewers of this channel, so make sure to check it out if you want to follow along and start improving your ad copy today. Thanks for watching.